Suppose you sit here right now and you're ecstatic. Would you ask, what is the purpose of life? Would you? Your experience is so fantastic. Would you ask, what is the purpose of life? No. Because to be alive is a purpose by itself. Now life has become a little burdensome. You're carrying the vegetable bag and going home. What is the purpose of life? You're doing things that you don't like to do. What is the purpose of life, isn't it? Somehow it's become burdensome. When you're 5, 6 years of age, when you're just bubbling around, did you ask what is the purpose of life? You became like this, what is the purpose of life? So this need for purpose has come simply because most people have not tasted life, except in their childhood. When I say they've not tasted life, right now the only two things they're experiencing is their physiological structure and psychological structure. As we already went through this process, both your physiology and psychological structure have been gathered from outside, isn't it? So there is no taste of life. So now you're asking, what is the purpose of life? Because you lost the connect with life. In your mind, in your intellect, logically you ask this question. The life within never asks the question, isn't it? Even an ant wants to live, try to hold it and see. Does it want to live? Does it do everything possible to live? Yes or no? Because life is a purpose unto itself. It's a phenomena beyond all silly purposes we can find in our life, in our intellect. Whatever silly purposes we find in our mind are absolutely silly compared to the tremendous phenomena that we call as life. But right now, you are just a bundle of thought, emotion, ideas, opinions, ideologies, belief systems and prejudices. No life. Life is not happening, only thought is happening. Because of that, you're asking, what is the purpose of life? And you said that, and now you're saying, what is the point? Eventually I will die. So what do you want to do? You want to die today? No, it will come. If this question becomes very deep, then the next question is to be or not to be. Once the question comes, we just have to provide you with 2 meters of rope, that's all, and little encouragement. That girl has to disappoint you. See, today you lost all your money, let's say. Then you say, what is the purpose of life? I want to die, no money, what to do? Check with your life. Close your mouth, hold your nose like this and see. The life within says, to hell with your money, man, I want to live. Yes or no? This girl, she left and went away, she finished her program, she doesn't know, she went home. My love, gone. What is the point of living? I want to die. Just hold, just to hell with her, let's live. Yes or no? Whenever you think the purpose of life is lost, just hold your nose for 2 minutes. You will know this one wants to live. Yes or no? So, life does not need a purpose because it's a phenomena beyond all invented purposes that human beings make up.